Hey, how's it going? So this here is a 1966 Olympia SF DeLuxe, and it's one of the Ultraportable typewriters. It's really thin. It's only about 3 inches high. I'll try to show you guys here in the picture real quick. You can see it's just, the size of my thumb. Really low profile, and writes in cursive, which I think is just really cool. Cursive typewriters are my favorite. I really think they're good for letter writing, journaling, but also for filling out place cards or whatever. But just gonna give you guys a quick rundown of all the features, how this thing works. This is the return lever, and it folds down for when you're gonna put it in the case. Which I do have for this, and you can see it in the ad. But when you're ready to use it, you just lift it up and you'll hear it click into place, and then it's ready to go. And you can adjust the line spacing with this lever. I think this one has single, 1.5, and double spacing, but you can hear it clicking. Well, not really, but there's 3 settings, and that's how you when you return the carriage, it'll bring you to a new line as well. This also has a carriage lock, which a lot of the Ultraportables didn't have, and it's this lever right here, and you pull it forward. You push it back, and that'll loosen this up so you can use it. And you can hear the bell does work. And I'll give you guys a quick type sample, and then I'll pull it out, and you can see that all the uppercase and lowercase and numbers and everything are aligned. Before I do that, I'll show you this does have a spring-loaded paper support, and it's this little lever right here. You just pull it towards you, and that pops up, and that'll hold the paper up while you're writing. This does roll paper fine. The platen is still pretty soft, the rubber piece, and it's pretty nice. It goes right under these things. Sometimes you have to fiddle with this, but this thing is pretty smooth. And I'll give you again uppercase, lowercase, and you can see everything's aligned right. Ribbon selector over here. Blue is for black ink, and then down here for red. I'll give you some of both. And then I'll give you all the numbers and the figures. And I'll pull that out so you can see that pretty dark imprint. This ribbon is not brand new, but it'll definitely last you for, the first stack of pages. Oh, you know what? I just realized. Oh, those are not the figures. I still got to show you the figures. Guess I forgot to have it on caps lock. So, caps lock. These are the figures. But yeah, that's everything. So you can see this thing is nice. It's really cool. And trying to think what else. This just folds down, stays there. I'll show you how to set the margins. It's just these two little things right here, and they push in, and then you just slide them wherever you want. This is the one that'll ring the bell, and then this is the one on the left side of the page. And I think that's pretty much it. There's a couple little splatters. I don't know if it's whiteout or paint, little flecks of, like here on the R key. And then over here, you can kind of see some specks right here. I haven't even tried to clean it off because to me it doesn't really matter. There's some little scuffs right here, but the functionality is 100%. And if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'm happy to answer. Take care.